guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be doing an awesome product review guys. This is a product that was sent to us. We were super excited to test it and see how it works. It's for paintless dent repair. However guys, we didn't have a car at the shop that we could try it on. And finally, we have a huge dent here, that we will attempt to fix today. Stay with us guys. That's what we'll be doing. We'll see how to use a paintless dent repair tool kit. You can find that kit guys listed in the description of the video below. That's where we're going to have it. So let me find that dent and show you how big that thing is. This is the dent guys, right here on this BMW. We're going to do paint restoration and trying to fix that dent. It is our we're not very experienced with the paintless dent repair, but we'll try our best to do that. Also we have two little dents here on the hood, on this side. If I get them in the correct angle, right there you can see there is two dents. So we'll try to pull those out as well. So the kit that we received guys, it's very affordable. It comes with so many tabs, different tools, little hammer, glue, two kinds of glue, also the glue gun here, spray nozzle. You have so many different tools guys, and you receive the manual that explains how to use all that. So this is a really cool deal. So let's go ahead and see if we can fix that thing now. So this tool now right here guys, this is a really good tool. I found out for like smaller dents. What you do, you get some, let's say you get a small dent, you use that tab. You have a dent here, you glue it, and then later you slide the tool in, and then you just spray up, and it's going to pull the dent. The only thing with that, you have to be careful, guys, not to pull too much, because if you pull too much, what could happen is you can actually pull the dent up, too much up. So you have to be careful. Now, if that happens, that's the tool that you use. This tool with a little bitty hammer. Depending on which head you need now. You can see it comes with different heads, but that's the one that I use the most usually. And you just screw it all the way in, and if you pull too much, you just go and gently tap until you get all that in. So depending guys, depending on what size of dent you need to fix, you have all different taps. So really good deal. Now, before we start guys, you need to get some alcohol, rubbing alcohol. That's the one we'll be using, I'll explain in a second. And the area that we'll be working, you have to clean it to make sure that there is no wax, no greasy spot or anything like that, so the glue can stick to it. I believe this is the one that I will be using. I'll place the tap here, then we'll go up, we'll go like that. And then you start just screwing that thing in, and you will start pulling the dent out. I like this one because it's a little bit more, give you more precision, how much you need to go up and all that stuff. So that's the one that we'll be using today. So this is the glue stick now, with the glue. It already warmed up. I'm going to put a generous amount of glue, like that. And now we're going to go ahead and apply it in the center, in the center of the dent, like that. We'll let it cool guys for, we're going to let it cool for probably at least 5 to 8 minutes. So we're going to prepare while the other one is cooling, this area right here. And we have, let me show you now, we have those small dents here. So I'm going to attempt to fix this one, the middle one right here first, with the smallest one. So once it's dry, I'm going to get the glue. We have one here. You can see, or maybe to attempt this one first. Let's attempt this one first. We'll apply a little bit of glue. A little bit more. Oh, that's good. And now let's place it here. Like that, and we're going to let it dry now. So it's been about 5 minutes. It really depends on how cold it is outside, but I cannot get my nail in the glue, so I think it's good now. What I'll do, I'll get it on top here. So we're going to reposition this one just a little bit to be in the center. Okay, like that. Now we'll get, guys, okay, the tool here, and we'll start screwing that thing in. Okay, now let's see if anything will happen now. Okay, do you see how it comes up? And it popped out. Now, what we'll do, okay, you get a little bit of rubbing alcohol. You need to spray. Okay, this is the knife that they gave us. So, carefully pull the glue out. So you can see, guys, most of it, okay, quite a bit came out. But this is a process that requires a few times because it's a huge dent. So we'll apply one more time, okay, and we'll pull it out again. So we applied one more time, a little bit thicker on top so we can pull a little bit more. Now I'm going to grab that little guy here. We're going to adjust the machine. Okay, see how that thing works now. Okay, I need to get it down to where it goes in the canal. Okay, perfect. And now, okay, we gently massage it, okay, and it will come up. What I'll do now, get a little bit of alcohol, spray between the paint and the glue. Glue came out. Now I'm going to wipe everything here. Okay, and let me see now, guys. Okay, this guy is completely out. Okay, guys, so we're going to, okay, attempt to pull it. Okay, check out how it stretches the metal. That's amazing. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, more, and it's going to come loose in a second. Okay, it broke loose, but most of it, guys, came out. That's unbelievable. Did you see how the metal stretched? Okay, that took quite a bit of effort. So we'll be using a little bit of alcohol. Okay, like that. We'll get the spatula knife. Okay, and gently pull it out. We can actually, on the hood, we can reach from the inside. Okay, and with the tapping tool here and the head that fits our profile and the little hammer. Okay, we're going to tap on it. Okay, a few times. Okay, and let's see now. Most of it will come out on the outside. Okay, you can see not much left. You can see just a little bit left. Okay, and later, guys, we're going to do one more glue on the outside, and that should take care of the problem. If something starts to stick out a little bit more on the outside, okay, you can use, depending on the head that you need, a pointy one, okay, to gently tap and get it in if you need to. So it takes a little bit of patience, okay, to do all that stuff. It takes a little bit of warning, so we'll have more videos, okay, as we're running as well here at the shop on fixing paintless dent repair as well. We'll share tips and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, guys, for more videos, and see you guys next time.